I've been doing a little bit of water germination right here, and the ones that are ready to plant, these were started on August 17th. Today is August 21st, and these little seedlings are ready to go. So let's get them into the soil. Asclepias fascicularis. So right here, I just basically dumped some potting soil from Fox Farm. I think it's their one with the frog or something like that. And I've got a saucer underneath here. I ran some water through it. The soil was really dry because it's been sitting out all summer. The bag's been open. Let's plant. So not a complicated process. I just take the cup with the water and then drop the seeds on here just like that. And then what I'm going to do is sprinkle a little bit of soil over here. I just went over and grabbed a little handful of soil, and I'm just going to sprinkle it here. A little bit of coverage on the seeds. Got some extra soil. I'm not even going to put that over the seeds. I'm going to put it around the side because these are good. These are all set. A little bit more water. And I'm going to water these about twice a day for the next week.